Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we need to write a function to check if a number is multiple of 10 or not, right? So how do we know if a number is multiple of 10 or not? So to check that, remember in high school we used to learn that, right? So the 30 is divided by 10 like this, right? So in this formula, it's somewhat like this, right? You've got all this brackets and stuff, right? Then you write 3 over here, and 10, how many is 30? It's 3, right? So this will equal to, what will this equal to? It will be big zero, right? So how do we retrieve this zero, right? We know that if it is a multiple of, let's say, if it is 10, let me just copy this whole thing, right? So if it is any other number, right? So if it is 31, right? So if it would have been 31, what would be the case? Our remainder would be 1, right? So we simply need to check what's our remainder only. That's it. That's the only condition that we need to check, right? So in order to do that, how do we get the remainder? If we do number divided by uh mm, 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 10, right? So if we do number divided by 10, what would be the answer over here? It would be 3 point something something, right? It would not be a whole number, right? So but there is a operator in C which gives out only the remainder. That's a percentage. Okay, so if this is equals to 0, then what happens? That means it's a perfect divisor of thing, right? So this is similar to writing something like if condition. Okay, so if number this is equals to 0, then we return 1, otherwise we return thing, right? So what happens over here is, so when we do 30 remainder 10, right, it will be 0 over here. 0 equals to 0 will be true, right? So true means 1, right? In C there is no boolean value that it can output, right, in form of data type. It's not a inbuilt data type, hence true is always 1, false is always 0, right? So in case of 31, what would happen? This would be 1 equals 0. The condition is false, hence it will be 0. It will return 0. So this problem is satisfied, right? Let's check our code as well. Great, works just fine, right? So that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.